What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have another beautiful day out here, and you can see we have the S4, and I kind of wanted to just go over the MPG that this car gets, because being a performance car, a lot of people ask what type of MPG or liters per 100 kilometers can these cars get. And being the S4 with the mild hybrid system, this car does really well. So as you guys know, I have been driving this car for about 2 to 3 months now, and I've gotten a pretty good kind of grasp on what type of MPG and liters per 100 kilometers this car gets. So let's start off with some numbers. On the website, or Audi Canada, this car is rated for a combined 9.7 liters per 100 kilometers, and it's around 11.1 liters per 100 kilometers in the city. And if we're talking highway, we're getting around 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, which is pretty incredible. And this is a 3-liter V6 with a turbo. So if you guys don't know, it does have that mild hybrid system that I was talking about. And the car actually does really well. So the best I've been able to get with the car has been around 8.5 liters per 100 kilometers combined, which again is pretty incredible for a car with this much power and a performance car. I've been seeing on different forums and Reddit posts that honestly, this car has been incredible as a daily driver for a ton of people because of that miles per gallon. You just can't find that on cars that have performance and are performance oriented. It's just so rare to find a car that does this well on the road in terms of gas mileage. So with this 8.1 liters that they're talking on the highway, and again with the around 10 combined, like on the highway, this thing's pretty much a Honda Civic. With the way that I can save fuel and it uses that hybrid system, this car honestly gets the equal miles per gallon to a Honda Civic. And you, at the end of the day, you are driving a performance car with 350 horsepower. To even say that is kind of weird, but this car is definitely one of the best cars that I've had on fuel out of the cars so far. So just to take a look on the interior, you can see on that little screen there, I just had a little short trip that I just wanted to test. You can see it says 3.8 kilometers driven with 9.3 liters per 100 kilometers. And that is just a quick little test trip. But I have been able to get that number down to 8.3 liters per 100 kilometers, which is pretty incredible on a combined circuit of city and highway. So thank you guys so much for watching. That will wrap up this quick little short video on the miles per gallon that this car does get and what you can get it down to if you really tried. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Also, don't forget to comment down below on what MPGs and liters that you've been getting on your S4, or if you have an S5, same idea, or even S3s, whatever other cars, even M340s. Please let me know down below in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe.